Right. Let's talk about your skin. Does it look a bit meh? Flat? As if someone turned down the dimmer switch on your face? You are not alone in this. So many of us see a tired, dull reflection staring back. This isn't about perfection. It's about your healthiest skin. Welcome to Own Your Beauty, where we cut through the nonsense. We are here to give you straightforward advice that works. We believe in simple, effective care. Today, we tackle dullness with what you already have. So, why does your skin lose its glow? It is a buildup of life, really. Dead cells pile up, like a dusty window blocking light. Dehydration flattens your complexion. Sun, pollution, stress, and poor sleep drain radiance. Let's break down the ingredients. First up, curd. Yes, the stuff you eat. Plain, full-fat curd contains lactic acid, a gentle AHA. It loosens dead cells to reveal fresher skin. Gentle exfoliation without harsh scrubbing. Curd also nourishes and supports the moisture barrier. Now for its partner, aloe vera. Aloe is a tall glass of water, over 99% water, plus vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to soothe and repair. If skin feels irritated or sun-stressed, aloe calms. Combine them to create a powerhouse mask. Curd exfoliates and nourishes, aloe hydrates and soothes. Lactic acid clears the way for deeper hydration. Together, they tackle dullness from two angles. Simple ingredients in synergy, our favorite kind of glow. Own your beauty. All right, let's make this mask. Take 2 generous tablespoons of plain, full-fat curd, fresh is best. Add 1 tablespoon of pure aloe vera gel. Optional, half a teaspoon of honey for dry skin. Mix until smooth, creamy, not runny or lumpy. Start with a clean face, always. Using clean fingertips or a flat brush, apply evenly. Avoid the delicate eye and mouth areas. Just relax. This is your time. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse while still slightly damp with lukewarm water. Pat dry, no aggressive rubbing. Follow with your favorite moisturizer to lock it in. Be kind. Your skin has been gently exfoliated. Own your glow. Curd with aloe helps a dull face look brighter. Before you slather this on, let's talk safety. Always do a patch test for at least 15 minutes. Ideally, check again after 24 hours. If you see redness or feel itching, stop and wash off. If you have a dairy allergy, skip milk products. Use on intact skin only. Avoid open cuts and active breakouts. Using strong actives or very sensitive. Consult your derm. This is not a one and done. Consistency wins. Use this mask twice a week to start. Hydrate, sleep well, and wear SPF daily. Without sun protection, you undo your hard work. A simple, affordable way to face dullness, head on. Sometimes, the best ingredients are the ones you can eat. Treat your skin and notice it looking brighter. This is what we champion at Own Your Beauty. Now go on. Own your glow. Own your beauty.